Hi, my name is Dan Nelson, executive producer of Woodstock Nation and designer of the Woodstock Magic Bus.
Hey, I'm Marla Davies, one of the producers for Woodstock Nation, the documentary, and one of the designers of the Magic Bus, which is a Woodstock museum on wheels. You can see 50 years of Woodstock, and it's so fascinating and amazing, and you've got to check it out. It's a free exhibit.
So when we designed the bus, one of the purposes that we put together for doing this was to create an opportunity for people that weren't familiar with the history of Woodstock and the many anniversaries of Woodstock to really learn more about that history.
Welcome to the Woodstock Magic Bus!
I read that there was not one fight at Woodstock.
Right.
So if we can just be as a people and come back to that kind of like feeling and kind of vibe and humanity where we could just like vibe together and enjoy the music of the time. Imagine how great our world would be if we could just go back to the love that Woodstock had.
It was cool because, you know, I just watched a documentary about Woodstock, you know, it was 69, the first year that they did it. And it was cool to see all the artists that are now so big, like Santana. It was his debut time going to Woodstock, you know. It was really trippy to see the come up, you know, of all the artists and all the social change. That's what it was in there. Really cool stuff, really cool.
The spirit of Woodstock is awesome here. Yeah.
I really like how there are no seats, it's just an open space.
Tell us what you thought of the bus.
Bus is awesome.
Everything. I love the tie-dye, I love the old articles, I love everything about it.
The Janis Joplin postcard was awesome. With the ticket inside, it was incredible.
I like the newspaper articles and the pictures.
Yeah, the pictures.
Cool. Really cool. The picture at the end where the couple's laying on the hood of the car, I thought that was kind of cool.
You guys had the outside paint job?
Yeah.
What do you think of the outside paint job?
This is great. Good job. You guys did awesome.
This hits it right here. This is just right there.
Perfect.
Bam, it tells you.
I think it's very lively, very eccentric, you know? I love all the flowers and all that. It really makes it stand out.
You know, you see the bus, your heart just gets big and you feel like, oh, it's so cool. And then to walk in and see, you know, just going through 50 years of Woodstock and all the changes that have happened. It's just a fun experience, and I think people will really, really enjoy it.
It'll be really fun to, you know, see, you know, how the Woodstock bus is being received, because I think for a lot of people, you know, they've never really seen any of the artifacts or don't realize part of the history that happened in Woodstock.
The reason we put together this video is to be able to reach out to people to hopefully get support for us to take this bus and have a tour around the country. One of the things we decided we were going to do was to educate as many people as possible on this wonderful history of Woodstock. I'd like to thank everybody who helped design the Woodstock Magic Bus, and most importantly, I'd like to thank you for helping us support financially taking the Woodstock Bus all over the country.